Struggling with time management and productivity, or maybe you're looking to take your gaming experience to the next level? Well, we got you covered with all that and more. Let's get into it. Want to make your wrists the center of attention? The CMF Smartwatch Pro 2 is your sleek sidekick for tracking every beat and breath of your day. This smartwatch doesn't just keep an eye on your heart rate around the clock, it also monitors your sleep, stress, and SpO2 levels effortlessly. Sync up with Apple Health, Google Health Connect, and Strava to keep your fitness stats in check and make managing data a breeze. Crystal clear Bluetooth calls with AI noise reduction lets you chat away, while the built-in mic and speaker handle the rest. Need to make calls or skip tunes? Well, a flick of the wrist does the trick. With a stunning AMOLED display and customizable watch faces, the Pro 2 turns every glance into a statement. Plus, it's waterproof, packed with 120 sports modes, and boasts a battery that lasts up to 11 days. Talk about a smartwatch that truly goes the distance. Tired of time slipping through your fingers? Meet your new time-managing sidekick. This clever cube timer packs a punch with 4 preset countdowns, easily flipped into action, and custom timings at your fingertips. Long press the fingerprint icon for a Pomodoro burst, or flip it for count-up mode. Yes, you heard that right. The timer's range stretches from a brisk minute to a luxurious 99 minutes and 59 seconds, making it perfect for everything from office hustle to kitchen chaos. Need a break? Flip the timer to pause, then flick it back to resume. And you can also adjust the sound to your liking, from silent mode to a gentle nudge. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, and boasting a magnetic base for easy attachment to metal surfaces. It's a go anywhere, do anything marvel. Rechargeable with a USB-C port, it's as eco-friendly as it is versatile. Dive into the future of pool maintenance with the Aquasense Pro, a marvel of modern engineering. This high-tech pool vacuum, boasting a revolutionary 9-motor system, cleans every inch of your pool with the precision of a dolphin darting through waves. Okay, maybe not, but it's equipped with the clever Nav navigation system and powered by a quad-core 1.8 GHz processor, allowing it to tackle both above and in-ground pools with ease, charting the perfect cleaning course while dodging obstacles like a pro. Say goodbye to the hassle of retrieving a cleaner, because the Smart Return feature glides it back effortlessly, while automatic water release and surface parking make it a breeze to handle. With a 200-watt brushless motor delivering a robust 5,500 GPH suction and dual-layer filtration for impeccable debris removal, you'll enjoy pristine water and superior mobility. Plus, manage it all from the BeatBot app and relish the convenience of its submarine-inspired design. With the Aquasense Pro on duty, your pool's only job will be to sparkle. Tired of juggling cables? Meet the InCharge 6, your new sidekick in the world of connectivity. With 2 input ports and 3 output ports, the gadget is your one-stop solution for all charging needs. Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB. It handles them all. Thanks to its ingenious sliding adapters, you can switch between 6 different charging setups with ease. The InCharge 6 doesn't just stop at convenience, it's equipped with top-grade N52 magnets and an anti-slip system to keep it firmly attached to your keys. Plus, it's not just a pretty face, it supports both charging and data syncing, so you can effortlessly transfer files while powering up. Built with top-notch functionality, sleek design, and a minimalist touch, it's designed to simplify your daily tech needs. Got a craving for a gaming setup that wraps you in a sound cocoon? These 4-speaker beauties deliver a surround sound spectacle that makes every corner of your game world come alive. Whether you're gearing up for epic RPG quests, intense FPS shootouts, or just chatting with your squad, their design effortlessly molds to any shoulder shape for unbeatable comfort, no matter how many hours you log. Switch effortlessly between game modes, RPG, FPS, or voice, tailoring your audio experience to suit the action. Plus, with a high-performance dual microphone that obliterates noise and echoes, your voice comes through crystal clear. And with a generous 3-meter USB cable, you'll experience sound without a hint of delay, giving you the edge that you need for lightning-fast reactions. The Gigap Pump 4.0 is your new compact camping BFF, all while weighing less than your average salt shaker. Designed to slash the bulk of your backpack, this pint-sized dynamo makes it a breeze to explore more and capture breathtaking views. With a single button setup, it's a breeze to operate. Just double-click to get the air flowing. Its smart internal design cranks out a powerful 50,000 RPM motor, pushing up to 4.2 kPa or 0.6 psi of pressure and 220 liters per minute of airflow. But wait, there's more. This versatile pump moonlights as a camping lantern with 8 adjustable LED beads, offering up to 35 hours of illumination. Tough enough to handle splashes and drops, it's perfect for the wild outdoors. The Type-C charging port features a handy indicator light, turning red when it's time to recharge. Equipped with 5 nozzles and vacuum capabilities, it fits nearly every inflatable and storage bag, all while being built to last, with robust ABS nozzles and top-notch sealing. Say goodbye to sluggish data transfers and hello to lightning-fast speeds with the Gigap SSD Enclosure. Designed exclusively for 2230 size NVMe SSDs, this gadget rocks a 10 gigabits per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C interface for seamless plug-and-play action. No more waiting around for file transfers. Just snap your SSD into place and start streaming your 4K ProRes videos directly to your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. It even boasts a magnetic suction design that keeps it securely attached, whether you're using it with a MagSafe case or not. With built-in supercapacitors and RTL9210 tech, your data is safe and sound, even if you lose power. Plus, with speeds up to 1200 megabytes per second, transferring HD movies is quick. Compatible with a variety of devices, this compact enclosure is your ultimate data companion. Say goodbye to muffled audio with the Cocoon Vimo C wireless clip-on mic, equipped with an advanced DSP denoise chip. This microphone cuts through background noise, ensuring your voice comes through loud and clear. Whether you're looking for mono, stereo, or the ultra-safe safety mode to dodge those pesky audio spikes, the Vimo C has got you covered. Need to tweak the volume? Well, you can simply tap between 4 levels of control on the transmitter, and the muting is as easy as a quick press of the power button, turning the indicator red. The IPS setting keeps you in the loop, showing audio dynamics, battery life, and more, and it rotates to fit your needs. Pop it in the charging case and you're good to go for up to 20 hours of recording bliss. With a range of up to 656 feet and minimal sound delay, the Vimo C keeps your audio perfectly in sync with your video. Step into a world where your ears stay open and your sound stays private with the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Yep, their clever open ear design lets you hear everything around you, while open audio technology delivers your music in crisp, private detail. Designed for all-day comfort, the flexible and light-as-air grip fits snugly around your ear, keeping you connected to your surroundings. And with Bose Immersive Audio, these Bluetooth earbuds don't just deliver music, they make you a part of it. Worried about a little splash? The IPX4 water resistance has got you covered. Plus, with up to 7 hours of playtime and a charging case that adds up to 2.5 full charges, your tunes will keep flowing all day. Seamlessly switch between devices with Bluetooth multipoint, and with simple button controls, managing your music or calls is a breeze. Bose Simple Sync even lets you sync up with Bose speakers for a personalized TV experience. We'll catch you later.